Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete My AI on Snapchat when it won't let you do it. So let's get started. So as you know, it won't let you do it. It won't let you delete or it won't let you go away from your account. But what you can do is just follow the simple steps that I teach you guys. So firstly, just go to your chats and then you'll see My AI over here. Just go to My AI conversations and then just go to My AI, and then on your top right corner you'll be having three dots. Just go over there, and on your third section there is something written as chat settings. Just go over there, and on the top you'll find this clear from chat with on red text color. So just go with it and go with the option which says clear. So you can read it if you want. Just press clear, and now just go to let's say just go to your chat like this, and then you can see the chat has already gone. My AI is not there, so it's basically like you have deleted it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.